Cartoon Burp, the unspoken language.
Impulses and desires, but one's deepest fears as well. I'll go with Belch Man. You know, fights crimes with different burps.
Belch Man. Leave your psychotic rant about
Hey, the rumbling stop!
Rider.
Flapjack, do that thing you do every day, all the time.
Fantastic! I didn't know he was going to be that close, but then yeah, phenomenal.
Rock that soda pop, brother.
Nice one. That guy deserves to be captain.
Speech! Speech!
Yeah, man. Woo! Yeah! That's what I'm talking
dreadful habit.
Hey, Grubba, you feel any different? Thanks, Grubba, that's what I thought.
Check it out! He knows the drill.
You've got to be kidding. Small things amuse small minds, I suppose.
There, little man. There's plenty to be ashamed of. An angel just got its wings.
Oh, yeah? Watch this!
Sam's heavy seltzer? Sheen, no, it's too dangerous!
Merciful jelly bean!
Good work, Carl!
Say something, Patrick.
Hi, SpongeBob.
Patrick, you're back!
Drink more. Give me that. That's nothing. Watch this.
I don't care!
Okay.